trying to learn is like trying to learn how the market maker treats. You understand? The market maker has
Yes.
an aim, and his aim is very simple. He looks to buy at lower prices, and he looks to sell at higher prices.
Yes.
You understand? So, in
Yeah.
order for you to be able to make money, you have to learn those steps that he's going through. Now, you would understand that the market maker will do certain things so that he can profit from the retail traders. How do
Yeah.
what is it exactly that he does? Number one, he's inducing traders to take position. You understand? Let me
Okay.
write them down for you to take note. I'm saying that he induces traders to take positions. That is number one. You see, he has limited resources. There are few things that he can do to get you, trapped. And this is number one. First, you know his aim. His aim is to buy at the higher, sell at the higher price to willing buyers. Meaning somebody is in the market, and when the price is higher, that person is willing to buy still. So the market maker will aim to sell to such people. Do you understand? And when the price is lower, there are still people who are willing to buy at sell at lower prices, and the market maker is willing to uh, buy from such people. You understand? So it's not like they are bad or something. They are trying to do business. You get it? If you come to the market and you are willing to sell something to me at a cheaper price, of course, I'll be glad to take it from you. You understand?
Yeah.
So basically, these are the tactics that the market maker is employing. And number two, what I'm saying is that he will induce you to take position, and he does that by accumulation. I will come back to that quickly. Let's look at his next tactic. He will create panic.
Where are you writing it?
Yeah, I'm typing it.
I can't see anything.
You can't see anything.
No, I can't see. I can only see your chat.
You can see my chart. Don't worry,
Yes.
I'll maximize it. Can you see this? Maybe you're also seeing a different chart, I think. Which of the charts are you seeing now? Let me see. uh yeah, this is the chart you're seeing, correct?
Ah, yes.
Okay, that's fine. So I'm saying
Okay, I
that
can see it now.
the has limited things to do, and his aim is to buy at lower prices and to sell at higher prices. Number three, he let me come now for you to be able to get on those and then remember these things. That's why I'm doing that.
All right, thanks.
Okay, let me try to make this one big so that you can see that as well. 18. Okay, I believe you can see clearly on the chart now.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, what I'm saying is that the market maker, you remember we discussed the market maker in the introduction stages.
Yes.
Now, he has one aim. He wants to buy from people who are willing to sell at a lower price. So when the market is seriously down and people are still selling, he will buy from such people. And when the market is at a
Okay.
higher price, okay, we call it premium. At
Yes.
a higher price, people are still willing to buy at higher prices. At that point, the market maker will sell to such people. You understand? So
Okay.
if you look
Okay.
at the peak of the market, all these green candles that you see before the market drops, these guys
Mm.
are the willing buyers at high prices. And this guy down here is a willing seller at lower prices. The market maker loves these people. You
Okay.
understand? That is number one.
Yes.
So how is it that he was able to deceive them? Number one, he introduced he induces the traders to take position in the market. And let me remind you that I still feel that the most important indicator of all is this period separators. This one. That's why
Okay.
always you see it on my chart,
Okay.
especially when I am on the lower time frame, because it gives me a clearer
Okay.
understanding. Again, remember the lesson we did in the initial stages where we have the trading sessions, Asian session, the lending session, and the New York session.
The theory of person. Yeah.
You remember those ones?
Yes.
Now, for what do you call it, the market maker to be able to deceive these people, he is using these sessions to do that. That's why you cannot afford not to understand that lesson. So, what I want to do to see clearly, I will squeeze my chart this way and try to identify all the Asian sessions because it is the beginning of all the markets. You understand?
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
I'll put just start from the beginning and start drawing your boxes around the Asian market. Come on, let me move to the far right. Okay, and remember the timing of this market. I said if you want, you can put from that line to about 8 to 9 hours. You understand?
Okay. Okay.
The lending will open at after that time, so it's really not a big deal. But you can see basically all of the Asian sessions are for consolidations, meaning the market is not going up, it's not going down. You can see through it. Why is it that it is happening almost every day? This is the question you should be asking. You see, almost every day the same drama is ongoing. Do you understand? So,
Yes.
for the market maker to be able to induce traders to take position in the market, he is using that accumulation, this Asian markets. You understand?
Mm.
So whenever the market goes into accumulation or consolidation,
Yes.
where the market is not going up, it's not going down, then that means that uh, the market maker is accumulating orders. What he does is he's not going up, he's not going down.
Okay.
You understand? People will sell here, up here
Okay.
of that box, and expect the market to go down. It will not go down, it will come to the edge of the box and return. It will do like that for the whole 9 or 10 hours. Do you understand? So people who buy here, who buy down there, they expect the market to go up and they are make money. No, they will never allow you to make money in the consolidations. You understand? So
Yeah, I get you.
uh, you need to understand that something else happens. We are taught in the retail world that when the market is consolidation, you can put your buy stop here. See that red line? Buy stop. So that if
Okay.
the market is going up, it will hit that buy stop and can you go out so that you make profit, correct?
Yes.
And we are also advised to put sell stop below so that if it breaks like the way it broke this one, you would make profit, correct?
Yes.
So we have buy um, buy stops at the top and we have sell stops below. Again, we have sell limits up here. There are people who think that the market will go up and then sell down. So they will put their sell limit here. And we have buy limits. People who think that the market will come down here and move up. They also put their buy stops here. So you can see there are orders always up here and down there.
Okay.
You understand? So for you to be able to
Yeah.
understand exactly what the market maker is doing, see, he's forcing people to put their orders up here and orders down there. So for this whole 10 to 9 hours is fooling people. That is inducing traders to take position in the market.
How you say introducing now?
You understand? Now,
Yeah.
More, please.
once this is done,
Reduce it.
he has another trick. And once that trick, now he will create panic and fear. How
Okay.
does he do that? He creates that panic and fear by pushing the market seriously down or up the market.
Okay.
You get it? So those people who are
Yeah.
buying here in this market, once the market start pushing down quickly, they will stop. They will get out of the market. You see what is happening, and then there are those who will not get out. They put their stop loss below that consolidation, so it will hit that consolidation plus the sell stops and then the buy limits. Okay,
Okay.
now
Hmm.
um, what you need to understand is that this causes panic and fear. So people who are price chasers, meaning they when they see a move, they jump into the market. Once they see the quick move, they keep chasing this market also. So there are orders
Okay.
that has been accumulated already, and
That's
you
the
create that fear for
then
you to
you
get out of the
do
market,
this
or
one.
you take panic decisions. Is that okay? Now he's hitting
Okay.
the stops and then he will clear the board. So see what is happening here. Goes down, hit all the buy stops, the sell stops, and the buy limits. All the stop loss. If you put a protective stop loss here, it is gone already. You understand? Now, see again,
Yeah.
the people who were selling here, they put their stop losses here, correct? The market comes down again and hits those ones. This is just today.
Hmm.
Okay. Now he has liquidity. He got these people, he got these people. So he's free to move to anywhere he wants to go
Okay.
now. So we
Okay.
are timing him based on this activity. Almost every day, this is what he does. So my advice to
Okay.
you, do not bother about the break outside of this consolidation. Let it break. I'm saying avoid this Asian market. Avoid it. Let the market go whether up or down. Then you will see the signature of the market maker. What is the signature of the market maker? Remember the last time we talked about the M and then the W's, correct?
Probably, yeah.
Good. Right. Now, my point is this. Once they break out of this consolidation, you see the signature. If it goes down, expect to see W form. And this is usually around 25 to 50 pips down that consolidation box. So if you want to measure this one,
Okay.
let's see, from here to there. Okay, this is around like 54 pips, 54.2 pips. You see what's happening? Otherwise, if you want
Yeah.
to take it from here, it might be within from the bottom of the box. See, we have 31 pips. So this is happening almost
Okay.
every day. I'm telling you. So what you need to do is to watch out. Just allow the consolidation to finish the work it wants to finish. Now we can trade the Asian box, but this is a bit technical. It's for advanced traders, and we are not there yet. We can get you there, but it might take some time. First, you need to understand this daily structure. So if you understand what I mean, saying that once we have the market breaking down from the consolidation box, we found the signature of the market maker, and that is a W when we are looking to go up, correct? This is the extended W, the one I was telling you about the last time. Okay, and see from there, if you entered this trade, you have made like how many pips for today? This is like 86 pips. It's enough. You are done for today. You understand? So this is
Okay.
basically the thing I'm talking
Yeah.
about. Very powerful. What is the confirmation? See, there is another W down here. 1, 2, 3. But extension. It's just a confirmation. So a W in a big W, a multi-session W. This is what I'm talking about. See this W? This is a W in a big time, but there is another W there. So you have like two W's at the same time. It's a confirmation that we are moving up. So it happened yesterday, it happened today. You cannot miss that if you see it. Okay, so
Okay.
this is the signature. I mean, it's like this. We are making the consolidation. Okay, then we break down, make a W
Good.
and move up.
Good.
Make an M by the end of the day and drop to middle part of the consolidation and start consolidation into the next day again. So the same drama again will start. Either
Okay.
it will push up to test the high of yesterday, like this one, this area, make an M, then drop, okay, make a W, come to the center again and start
Yeah.
consolidating. It's like the same shit almost every day.
Awesome.
I don't know if you're seeing what I'm seeing.
Okay. Yeah, I can see it.
Good. Um, so this lesson is the thing I'm trying to teach, put across to you, and you must get this. It is the basics. Okay? If you cannot get this, we are not going anywhere else because this is critical. You cannot. This is, I mean, a game changer. You need to see this in the market. If you can't see this, there's no point trying to trade.
Okay.
Okay, so people are saying the market is not manipulated. It is manipulated because somebody wants you to get in the wrong direction so that he can use you to make money. Okay, the sooner you get that, the better it is. So that is the lesson I was trying to put across to you the other day. And I'm saying that for you to be able to do this M and W, meaning that you need to find them after the breakouts. It means that we have the low of the day. This place becomes the low of the day for today, and where it reverses at the high, it becomes the high of the day. You understand? Now, yesterday's high is this. Can you see yesterday's high?
Yes.
Why is the market reversing this area? Because it is testing the high of yesterday. So those people, yesterday I was selling this market. If I didn't get out today after seeing this W, it means that they would have come to take my stop loss. My stop loss right above here. Can you see where the market reversed?
Yeah.
Means they came to hunt my stop loss.
Yes.
But I'm sharp. So when I saw this W, I know where they were going. I took my profit and then joined them up here.
Okay.
You see?
Okay.
So you need to understand this. Once you get this, you would start seeing consistency. And that's where you grow from. I don't want to make this video a long one because I might put it on YouTube because I'll have a lot of guys who are worrying about understanding what exactly is happening in the market. I didn't intend to share this publicly, but then what can we do? If you need to help someone, you must help someone. And I cannot keep organizing Zoom class every time and then. So don't mind if you see yourself in YouTube this lesson. I believe it makes sense. If you have any question, you can ask me.
You cannot see them.
We will see if we can add something else.
I see. No.
I think explanation has been gotten, and
They are not on video.
we'll just refer all this to our charts and see how we can grow ourselves from there.
And this is what I'm saying. Now, if you don't draw this chart and send them to me and let me see whether what you're doing is correct or not, you will not get the practicality of these things. I know it's, sometimes it's very easy when you're seeing it like this with me, but when you are alone, it's not going to be easy for you.
We go blind.
Yes. So what you do, you sit down, move at least, move. See, there is too much data from the beginning of this chart. Let me clear this distance from the chart and make it a bit cleaner, because I don't like my chart being like that. Okay. So if you move back, there's too much information backside, history. If you cannot see it in hindsight, you cannot see it anywhere else. Okay, so go back, test it, go back, make your chart dirty. There's no problem from the beginning. You understand? Draw the Asian consolidation and understand how the market maker is fooling people throughout the day. You understand?
Yeah.
And whatever, he doesn't care about those ones. Your support and resistance, he doesn't care about them. Now they are teaching us this to use those one to fool us. Okay.
Yeah.
So don't do it. Don't be a sheep. You should be the lamb. Move like the way they are moving, and you'll be secured. Okay.
So So if we want to use this now, is it that we must be on 15 minutes time frame?
I'm telling you that every time frame you can see this kind of a scenario happening.
Okay.
You understand? But on 15 minutes, if you're day trading, you need to be on the 15-minute chart. because it gives you
Okay.
clear support and resistance levels from the daily chart. Highs and lows, you see them clearly on the 15-minute chart. That's why I love it. You understand?
Okay.
But if you prefer any other time frame, it's up
Yeah.
to you. You understand? Some people use the 30
All right.
minutes chart.
It's all right.
Fine. You still see the same shit. 1 hour, you still see the same thing. It's all about you. Can you see the W? See?
Yeah.
Just understand that the consolidation takes like 8 to 9 hours, and then the move will start. The breakout will start from there.
Okay.
All right. So if you have no question, I'm gonna close this. And if you have any questions, you can send to me by the WhatsApp message, and we can attend that later.
It's all right.
All right.
Have you stopped the recording?
No.